Revolutionizing Content Creation with Ecco app, a comprehensive review. In today's digital age, the demand for audiobooks and podcasts is on the rise. The traditional methods of producing these audio contents can be challenging and costly, deterring many content creators from exploring this lucrative market. However, with the introduction of innovative tools like Ecco app, the landscape of content creation is undergoing a significant transformation. Ecco app, powered by ChatGPT-4 AI technology, offers a seamless solution for converting text, URLs, articles, and more into high-quality audiobooks and podcasts. With a diverse range of voices in 80 languages and advanced features like script generation and voice mimicry, Ecco app simplifies the content creation process like never before. In this detailed review, we delve into the key features of Ecco app, explore its creator, Say Adelex, background in marketing, and highlight its unique capabilities that set it apart from other tools in the market. From universal content transformation to AI-driven podcast creation and built-in marketplace for creators, Ecco app opens up new possibilities for content creators across various industries. Moreover, we discuss the user benefits, pricing options, and additional features offered through Ecco app's OTOs, one-time offers. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, blogger, product creator, or agency owner, Ecco app caters to a wide range of users looking to leverage AI technology for their content creation needs. With a user-friendly interface, quick setup process, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, Ecco app ensures a risk-free experience for users eager to explore the world of audiobooks and podcasts. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional content creation methods and embrace the future of audio content creation with Ecco app. If you're ready to revolutionize your content creation process and tap into the growing demand for audiobooks and podcasts, Ecco app is your go-to solution. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your content creation game with AI-powered technology. Experience the power of Ecco app today and unlock endless possibilities in the world of audio content creation. Click link in description to discover more.